Here's how to make images move in CapCut PC. If you move from keyframe 1 to a new point and reposition the image, keyframe 2 will be created. But you can see that only the dot next to position is active there. So if you change anything other than position, it will still be taken from keyframe 1, not from your latest one. That's why you should also check the other points so all parameters get saved. Hope this helped. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.